To perform a first setup on Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, you will need to power on your device, and you can do it simply by looking on the right side of your phone and then just click and hold this button right here. Hold it until you feel a vibration from the phone. Then we can check the screen and our phone is booting up. Okay, so we have the first setup screen right now, and if your phone didn't boot up, I recommend to charge it for around half an hour, and then it should boot fine. So next step is to pick a language for our setup and our device, and you can do it by clicking on this button right here with the globe icon. Choose whichever language you prefer. Additionally, you can go for a vision settings to access accessibility, and then you can customize a few settings. Next step is to click on Start. Here we can set up our phone with our previous device. So if you've been using Android device previously, you can transfer your entire device to this one. If you want to perform a brand new setup, click on the Skip button. Then we can connect to the Wi-Fi network to get access to internet. I'm going to try to skip it to perform a setup without any internet connection. So let's click on Skip. If you want, you can go for that Wi-Fi network, or currently right now set up your SIM with mobile data if you want that internet connection. But as you can see right here, we can manage to set up this device offline. So let's go with that. If you decide to use internet during a setup, you will have a few additional options like logging in to your Motorola account or logging in to your Google account. Okay, next step is to pick a date and time. You can adjust it however you like. Then we can create our PIN password. It's also skippable, or you can go for screen lock security options to select a different lock screen type. You can accept or disagree with any services that you can see on this screen, and if you're ready, click on Accept. Here we can stay up to date, enter the email address for Motorola. Since this is the offline setup, it won't do much until we connect it to the internet, so I'm just gonna skip it. We can enable live lock screen. This is basically wallpaper carousel. I actually do not recommend this option to be on. You can do it afterwards in the settings if you like. What it does, it will basically put random wallpapers with some information and stuff like that on your lock screen, so I'm just gonna skip it. Then we have navigation style. We can either pick buttons or gestures. In this case, we're gonna go for the buttons. We can select the theme for our device. There's light, dark, and transition. Light is the mode that I have currently enabled. Dark will change our background to more darker colors, and transition will adjust it automatically based on your time. Then we can set up parental controls if you want. You can go for the setup and follow all of the instructions that will show up on the screen. I'm gonna skip it. Here we have Hello Moto, which means our setup is basically finished. We can explore different apps with this introduction, but I'm gonna go back to home screen, and that's basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.